The BMW 3 Series is one of the most iconic cars in history, and this 2017 F30 is no exception. However, as time goes on, the technology that was once great just seems archaic, and the performance underwhelming at best. Today, BimmerTech will transform both of those aspects with our wireless CarPlay and Android Auto MMI Prime and Awaken Performance Tune. Today is just going to be a highlight reel of the two, but we have full videos of an MMI installation in an F30 as well as an Awaken Performance Tune. Check out the links in the description for the full videos with all the details, but let's go over the products and what you can expect. First off, the wireless CarPlay and Android Auto MMI Prime. Next to the MMI Pro, this is the best way to bring your aging BMW into modern times. This little blue box is a completely plug-and-play, 100% reversible device that allows you to access both wireless and wired Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, screen mirroring, USB audio and video playback, and so much more that frankly we don't have time to get into in this video. It seamlessly integrates with your iDrive system, so it appears on your factory screen or larger retrofitted upgrade screen that you can also get from us, and using your factory iDrive controller, steering wheel controls, and even mics for voice commands. While that takes care of the entertainment side of things, if you want improved performance that's both reliable and leads to better fuel economy, our Awaken Performance Tune has you covered. After you tell our tuning experts what you're looking for out of your ride, we will remotely upload that tune to your BMW and bam! Improved reliability, performance, throttle response, and fuel mileage will be right at your foot. Installation of the MMI Prime or HDMI Equipped Pro is simple after disconnecting your battery to make sure your vehicle and its components stay safe. While you do have to remove a few panels and pull out your head unit and screen, our detailed instructions and tons of videos guide you through each step of the installation process. After you plug everything in, simply put everything back together, reconnect your battery, and you're done. Just pair your phone, configure the settings to your liking, and enjoy all of the features of Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. No coding, no fuss, no drama. Speaking of coding, this customer did opt for some extra coding, allowing him to drop his windows and open his sunroof at just the press of a button on your key fob, as well as roll those windows up and close that sunroof too. When it comes to the tune, it's even easier. While we're taking care of this here, if you choose to do this at home during your scheduled coding session, just make sure your car's battery is ready, plug in a laptop with the software you need, and our technician via chat will walk you through all the steps. Since there are important steps to follow and software needed, we definitely encourage you to check out some of the other videos we have on our channel to learn more. Once the tune is complete, your F30 will feel like a whole new car and perform better than it ever has, all while doing it safely and saving more fuel in the process. That is, if you can keep your foot off of the floor. Want any of what you've seen here on your F30 plus tons more? Head on over to our site, enter your VIN, and take your F30 from lame to insane with upgraded entertainment, audio, styling, and more. Want to see more videos like this on F30s and countless more BMWs, Minis, Supras, and even the occasional Rolls-Royce? Subscribe and you will.